Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 for a senior person. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, and sadly on this device we can't find any simple or senior mode, but we can change a few settings to help the person to use this phone. And now let's scroll down and find the accessibility. Right here there's visibility enhancements, and now we can change the display mode to default high contrast or large mode. Let's click on apply, and as you can see our display became much bigger. Now we can change the high contrast theme to yellow or blue. Then there's high contrast fonts that you can enable, and that makes all of the text much more readable. And here's high contrast keyboard that will make your keyboard more readable. Highlight buttons, so that means when you click on any button it will highlight just like that. There's color inversion if you want to use it, color correction and color filters. We can remove animations to reduce motion sickness while using this device, and the same is with transparency and blur. There's extra dim, which makes the display go more darker, but it's barely visible. And you can also change the magnification to enable it. And now I chose the triple tap on the screen, so that means when I triple tap on my screen it will zoom in into that portion of that screen. And that's all of the settings I would recommend to actually change for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.